So for this video, we'll talking about this one. This is the hex or the MikroTik router board. So this model is the hex S, the RB760 IGS router board. So as you can see, there's minimal I/O. So it has a DC input, a SFP or a small form factor, and 5 LAN ports RG45. This is one of the best router board that is out available in the consumer market. So you can also install a SD card, a reset button, a USB port, and a mode. Okay, so router and yeah. And also what I have got here is a special SFP. So this SFP is a PON or passive optical network. So it's a programmable SFP which can duplicate your current modem or ONU. This serves as an ONU, a programmable ONU for the network. So you can copy the MAC address of your current ONU, reprogram it here, and you will have a ONU powerful enough for this size. And then if you're going to plug it in your MikroTik, and this becomes the replacement of your ONU at home, a much more powerful hardware, a much higher specs, and it means that you will have more control and you can decide the everything. So with this flexibility with your router board, you can do anything like from the OLT fiber, then you will just plug it here. No more ONU provided by the internet service provider. So the fiber will go directly through here, and then the OLT will scan the MAC address of this ONU, and then if it match in the system provision, then you will have a accepted authentication. It means this ONU or SFP will sync with the OLT. After syncing, then you will have a session. The DHCP will provide now IP address internally for this ONU, and now you have internet access going through your LAN. So this is a powerful setup, ONU plus router board. Yep, I want to emphasize that this is a green SFP. It means it can detect. It will replace totally your Wi-Fi router, the ONU that has low specs, and then through this you can have it to your Wi-Fi system, a better setup, because the current ISP modem routers are currently very slow and minimal specs, like the processor and the CPU. That's why it is sometimes bottleneck if you have a multiple devices that is connected through that. Aside from the ONU, it also serves as the router, the DHCP server, the DNS server. That's why we recommend highly to upgrade through this kind of setup. And for the detailed instructions, yep, router board, yep, a better setup for your home or business Wi-Fi setup. I'm using this for my personal LAN at home just to experiment, okay? And I've been successfully integrated this through the OSP. So better solution, much faster and controllable. The only problem is if this one will be broken, then you need to revert back your modem. And if, yeah, see you around, guys, and hope you find it soon. Router board MikroTik. So who anyone wants a MikroTik board? Yep.